Solder It Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer. This one is perfect if you're on a budget but still want something that gets the job done. Priced at around $12, it's one of the most affordable options out there. Just pour it into your gas tank and let it go to work while you drive. It helps break down carbon deposits and even tackles that weird rotten egg smell some older cars get. And even though it's budget-friendly, you can still expect a noticeable difference in how your car idles and accelerates after a full tank's use. Now, this one doesn't promise a full system clean like the higher-end brands, but it definitely gives your converter a good refresh, especially if you've been noticing slight performance issues or that dreaded check engine light flickering on. It's also super easy to use, which is perfect for folks who aren't into tinkering under the hood. Just toss it in and let it handle the rest while you go about your normal driving. It's a no-hassle, no-wrench solution that almost anyone can use, no matter your mechanical experience. What makes this one stand out, besides the price, is how it helps eliminate odors while improving fuel efficiency. You might not get professional-grade deep cleaning, but for a quick, convenient tune-up, this product is incredibly effective. It's great for keeping things running smoothly between more intensive maintenance and can even help if you're trying to stretch the life of your catalytic converter before replacement. So yeah, it's a budget buy, but it doesn't feel cheap in terms of results. If your catalytic converter just needs a quick pick-me-up, Solder It is a solid go-to, especially if you want decent results without dropping a lot of cash.